Hi guys, I'm Mahi. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying all the festivals. So today's video is gonna be a get ready with me. It's like I'm doing this video after a very long time. So basically I'm gonna tell you how I'm gonna achieve this look, this eye look especially. It's super easy, especially for beginners now. I also I consider myself a beginner up tak because I think I haven't gotten that makeup artist wala perfection abhi tak, but I think this video will help you guys if you are on a beginner level क्योंकि काफी जुगाड़ू type makeup किया है मैंने. So I wanna ask you guys to subscribe to my channel before going ahead with the video, and yeah, now let's go to the video. First step that I am following is Nykaa का primer, and I'm really sorry कि video में शांति नहीं होगी because मैं घर आई हूँ and I really can't find a silent spot at all here. बिल्कुल गलियाँ है यहाँ पे तो traffic चलता रहता है. So sorry about that, but yeah, the step is the primer. Yes, this will be enough, especially under eyes and nose and forehead पे लगाने वाली हूँ मैं. Primer is done. Next step that I'm gonna follow is some loose powder. I know पता नहीं आपने मेरी वो hacks वाली वीडियो देखी है कि नहीं, but I love this hack that you apply loose powder before applying anything on your base, and then you set it up with a setting spray and you're good to go. I'm just looking for a brush here. I love loose powder so much now. It makes like a lot of difference. Next step that I'm gonna follow is set it up with a setting spray. Then हम जैसे normal makeup करते हैं वैसे करेंगे. But yes, it makes like a lot of difference. It gives you like a very smooth base to start with. Step that I'm following is a concealer. I love this concealer. I've been using this like now I think 2 साल मुझे हो गया इसको use करते हुए. This is by Eyebrow girl and it's in the shade medium beige. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply it like under my eyes, on the forehead, like for highlighting and stuff, and on my nose. This is not a professional makeup tutorial. It's just that like this is how I like to do my makeup, and I think beginner level पे कहूँगी मैं खुद को, but yeah, I think it looks fine and you guys can take a few lessons like from a beginner, you know. So if you know me, you know that I usually don't apply foundation, but as it's a Diwali look, I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit of foundation, just this much, because I'm not like a big fan of foundations and I think I don't need it that much. So yeah, so I'm just applying everything in dots and I'm gonna blend it all using my beauty blender. Never forget the neck, by the way. Very local beauty blender, but it works. Always make sure कि आप इसको हमेशा ना पानी के नीचे like ऐसा टैप के नीचे 2-3 बार पूरा अच्छे से भिगो दो तो काफ़ी सॉफ्ट हो जाते हैं and it blends really nicely. Now I'll shut up and we'll fast forward this part. So I'm done with blending my foundation and concealer. Now I'm going ahead with some more loose powder. The loose powder that I'm using is by Maybelline in the shade medium Moyen, and you guys have to get it. Like this is so good now. I love this so much. Okay, I'm just gonna bake a little like my under eyes. Instead of compact, I'm just gonna go ahead all over my face with the loose powder because I like it better than a compact. Like you guys, I'm just obsessed with loose powder, as you can tell by the video. but yes. Can you hear the bird in the background? Like, यहाँ पे daylight का बड़ा issue है. So I'm just sitting right next to the door and it's loud here. Okay, while my eyes, like under eyes, bake a little, I am gonna go ahead and do my eye makeup. I'm gonna use this palette by Huda Beauty. It has some really amazing shades, like the shades that I personally love. This is their I think sunset edition. This is called Topaz Obsessions. I'm gonna mention everything in the description box below, so make sure that you check that out, and don't worry, everything will be there. Okay, so I'm gonna use like this orange, rust orange, and a lot of like these glitter wala shades, and gold in like my inside corners of my eyes. So yeah, let's start. So I am gonna use one more hack that I showed in my last videos, like the sellotape hack, because I wanna get like really sharp eyeshadow. So yeah, that's what I am aiming for. Let's see if we can get it. Basically you go like, you start from here कि यहाँ बाहर की साइड थोड़ा डार्क आए, and then bikes like get lost, and then you go ahead and just blend this color only that you have applied अंदर की side. See the brush strokes, right, that I'm trying here. जब मैं मेकअप वीडियोस बनाती हूँ ना, मुझे ऐसे लगता है ना कि जब आप लोग मुझे देखोगे ना, इट विल बी लाइक, what is this amateur person doing in makeup videos? But मुझे सब करना है, so आपको सब देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, I am very much satisfied with the color right now. Like, I don't wanna darken it at all. Just gonna blend it थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, and I'm gonna apply some glitter like center area में. So I'm gonna go ahead with the gold one because it's beautiful. It's so pigmented now, like, can you see? It looks really pretty. You know what the sad thing is? कि अब मुझे lashes लगानी आ गई है और मैं भूल गई हूँ lashes लानी अपनी. So I am happy with the eyeshadow. I'm gonna go ahead and apply the same color like नीचे and gold वाला अपने inner corners में, but I'll do it like later. Right now I'm gonna apply liner also. Like, I usually don't do eyeliner, but today is like Diwali wala makeup, so we're gonna do it. At least try to do it ढंग से. Okay, so I don't like पूरा आँख पे, so I've applied like on the outer corners using this sellotape only. Now I'm gonna remove it and we'll see if this worked or it's a blunder. Let's. Ooh, I think it worked. It worked really well. It looks nice and sharp. बस मुझे यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा फिक्स करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज ऑफ द सेलो टेप. कंसीलर वगैरह हट गया है, बट या वी कैन मैनेज दैट. आई नो इधर का थोड़ा ख़राब होगा बिकॉज एक ही साइड ठीक लगता है. दिस इज़ लाइक यूनिवर्सल, आई थिंक. लाइक नोबडी कैन मैच देयर विंग eyeliner. Ooh, sharp, like sharp, baby. Okay. I am happy with it. I'm gonna fix my like base using my love loose powder. See how sharp it has come, and it looks like, you know, I know a bit about makeup. Okay, apply like the golden shadow only on the inner corners of my eye to give me like that like I woke up with a glow look. I don't know what to call it. I'm done with my eye makeup. I really like it. I just hope that I'm able to do the same on Diwali as well. Okay, now I'm just gonna do my brows using this eyebrow mascara. This is by Nykaa. I'm not gonna like shape a lot, but just darken it and comb it. इतने बच्चे, इतना शोर है ना यहाँ पे, लाइक नॉट मेरे घर पे बच्चे हैं बट पड़ोसियों के, लाइक आई कांट इवन डू एनीथिंग अबाउट इट. I like it dark enough, and next step would be the mascara that we love and adore so much. Okay, this is by Too Faced. इसका नाम है Better Than Sex, and खत्म हो गया almost, but I just can't let it go because I love it so much. Okay. Eyes are done, and now I'm gonna go ahead and contour my face a little, just a little. Like, I'm not gonna use any liquid or cream contour. I'm just gonna use this contour powder, sorry for the accent, by Sugar. I really like it, and yes, I just like it. इसके अलावा मैं क्या बोलूँ, you know, just gonna go ahead and you don't have to like come till here, like बस यहाँ तक काफ़ी होता है. A little on this side. यहाँ दिखेगा आपको because this is like a fat side of my face, so you can actually see the difference. And my favorite profile is left for obvious reasons. Just blend everything nicely a little here. And now we're gonna move on to our blush. Blush is again from Sugar. Exact names will be in the description box below, so please guys, comment करने से पहले एक बारी description ज़रूर check कर लेना, because I put like a lot of information there. It's such a cute blush, right? A little on the nose, never hurt anybody. Oops. Done with my blush, and now it's time for highlighter. I don't like this highlighter that much. It's by Maybelline, by the way, but I have bought it, so I'll use it. You know, पैसे खर्चे हैं तो. So if you don't know how to contour your nose, that like me, just highlight it properly, like यहाँ से लेके and tip पे थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा, so it looks like really cute, right? Let me come a little closer and you guys can see how it looks up tak. Now we're gonna go ahead and apply our lipstick. I'm gonna go with this color. Go ahead and apply a liquid lipstick because you like eat a lot on festivals and everything, so this will stay. I am just gonna go ahead and straighten my hair. Let me show you what straightener I use. So I use this straightener by Philips and I really like it. This has some ceramic plates going on. Exact link I'll try to like put in the description, or either the name. Just make sure that you check the description out. And yeah, my hair is gonna be straight in like 3, 2, 1.
जुत्ती मेरी जांदी है पहाड़िए दे नाल ते भोला मेरा जांदा है उस डोगरे दे नाल